spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh, beautiful release. The memories seep through my veins. Let me be empty or weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel, far away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You were pulled from the wreckage of your solemn reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight life. In every way you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting. Keep on building a life that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference escaping one